Shitter, I've got a fucking bird, I'm at the sanctuary. If this chat don't like what I'm saying, fuck off somewhere else.
You sat nav did just crash it up, Dave. You sat nav did say you're 330 yards away.
Why does Dr. Doolittle always think he's fucking right?
You sat nav did say if
Listen!
yards.
Listen to... Oh, for fuck's sake, who's this coming now? Look at Pat Lloyd, look at him though, bro.
Yeah, he wants to.
Right, I'm gonna go anyway, goodbye.
Let me tell you something, that address is there. 100% that address is there. Now, I know for a fact that address is there. And as sat nav said, in 330 yards, turn left or turn right or whatever it said. So obviously he wasn't at the location. What? The sat nav gassed him up, basically. But that address is there.
Watch how I get him out of the car, because he wants to jump out. If I open the boot, it'd be more luck, he'll get run over. Poor cunt. Oh, they live on the beach. Okay. So we're going to release him then on the seafront, yeah? Oh, okay, how the fuck am I going to get him out? He's quite angry this morning. I don't know if the medication's wore off. The vets will put it to sleep. The vets will put it to sleep. But we don't want to put him to sleep. We're not putting him to sleep. We're going to help him. No, not with the towel. What the fuck's he going to want the towel for? He's not having a bastard shower. Hey, listen to these people that are saying I can't just leave him. Get in a fucking aeroplane, like Sam said. Get on the aeroplane and come and take him off me. Okay? You're all sat in a comment caring and fucking all that cunt. If I didn't grab him last night, he'd have been run over. Alright? So don't fucking tell me about not caring and making out I'm a cunt. Because it won't work with me, because I don't give a fuck. Alright? It won't work with me, guys. Let me just tell you that. The problem we've got now is Pete's going to jump out of the car. Right? And I'm parked on the road. I don't know how we're going to do this, Pete. I don't know how I'm going to do this, because he's going to get out of the car. I don't know what I'm going to do with him, guys. How the fuck am I going to do this? Hang on, Pete. You shit everywhere, you dirty cunt. No, I'm helping you. Pete. There we go. Okay. Pete. Keep still. Pete. Pete. Pete, you fucking dead, right, mate? Pete, where you going? That way? That's it. Fuck me, he's up and happy this morning, the cunt. He's up and happy. He don't give a fuck. Is he taking the piss out of me? The cunt's just jumped up the wall. Is that a cunt taking the piss? He's flapping his wings. Is he mugging me off? Oh, fucking that cunt owes me 20 quid. Oi! Pete! He's just gone in the sunset. That cunt just wanted a burger. He just wanted a fucking burger. Look. He's fucking running. And there goes Pete. Don't go care in the fucking world. Oh, he's coming back. Where's he gone? There he is. I can see him, look, coming between the deck chairs. There he is, look. Don't you dare come back to me, you cunt. Oh, he's coming back. Oh, he's coming back. Don't you fucking dare come back to me. I swear to God. He's coming back. I feel like I've let my dog for a walk. Where's he go? He's coming back. He's definitely not in pain. But he's shit all down my jumper. He's not coming back, is he? He can't come back. I'll just let the cunt go. Pete! Pete! Oh my God, please don't do this to me, Pete. You make me look a right cunt on TikTok. Pete. Have no idea. Cleaning himself, look. He's happy, mate. He's saying, look, I'm fucking done with this cunt. I've left my car open. Hello, Pete. Pete, hello. Yeah, I'm Dave. Remember me? You was in my... Pete? Pete. Don't... Pete. 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 I just want to say bye. Pete. I just want to say goodbye. Pete, I'm not... You fucking owe me 6 quid. Oi. Fucking walk away from me, you cunt. I give you a chicken burger. What the fuck? Pete.
He's gonna leave the bed, lad.
Yeah, lad. He's
You know,
bro.
he's gonna.
He's brand new this morning. And
He's
I
not
spoke
brand
to that man. I spoke to that man. You sent me his number, and he said if he goes to the veterinary place, he can't. He said it's a girl. He said she can't be saved. So I said I'm not taking. I said I'm not taking her to a vet. So I just let her go.
I spoke to the vet before.
Yeah.
The vets have said that you can do an operation on it, but they can't
Yeah.
keep.
Good luck. Good luck to that. That ain't fucking Dave Duran's issue.
What?
Look! He's flapping about.
Flapping his bout, but it's got a broken wing. It can't fly, lad.
I know. Well, there's
said-
Pete.
Why are you taking the vet, lad? There's a vet there that said he'll do the operation.
I'm on holiday, bro. I'm not taking a seagull to the vets to pay no bills.
Why does it only be like 100 quid?
No, what the fuck, bro? Are you mad?
It will.
No, it won't.
100 euros. All they're gonna do is put a stent on the wing, and then it'll just need to recover. But if you take the time to do that, I can recover on my balcony. I won't be here, but we can
I'm
stay.
on holiday, Sam. And all the peasants in my chat thinking you can give me shit, go and find the cunt yourselves if you're that concerned about the bastard.
The universe give you this task, Dave.
You what, bro?
The universe give you the task to save the bird.
No, it's not with the fuck the universe, bro. Please, enough, Sam. Right, we're going on sub chat. Right, listen, guys, I'm Dave Duran's, yeah? I'm Dave Duran's. All right? You want to save the fucking seagull? You go and get the cunt. I've given it a chicken burger, 2 bottles of water. Its hotel costs £22 for the night. I've spoke to a man. The man has said she has a broken wing. She goes to the vet. She will most likely not be saved. That is the WhatsApp I've got on my phone. I can send it a green screen, but I ain't like that. It's a fucking seagull. Get the fuck out of my chat, you fucking idiots.
To be fair, I did speak to a vet this morning who said they can do the operation, Dave.
Yeah, I didn't. I tried to. This one's closed land near me.
There's one about, I think it's about 2 miles from you, but he said he can do the operation. He just can't keep the bird for recovery. So as I said, I won't be here for the next few days, but they just leave food on the balcony. If you take the time to go and get treated for his wings.
Yeah, well, unfortunately, I'm on fucking holiday.
The universe is testing, Dave.
Yeah, the universe can fuck off. Why do you keep going on about the universe?
But that's what happens. You've got to understand it. See, with the universe, lad, yeah, everything is connected, lad, and sometimes you get put tests.
You're some kind of... I swear to God.
No, it's true, bro. Every now and then we get tests, whether that's a relationship, whether that's a bird that gets put in your way.
Where the fuck's...
Well, you do know that someone's probably going to go and pick that bird up and down the beach now, don't you?
Someone's going to go and what, bro? So many fucking heroes in my fucking chat. Fucking get on a fucking airplane and go and get the cunt.
That bird's going to meet you in the afterlife and it's going to look at you and say, why you help me, you little fucker?
I did fucking help it.
Yeah. You didn't. You abandoned them.
You what?
Most vulnerable. You abandoned them at his most vulnerable time, Dave.
Yeah, you fucking idiot, you are, I swear to God.
Imagine if you was like on the verge of, imagine if you lost your legs or you broke your legs and
Damn, you're not going to make me look bad on the internet.
No, I don't want to make you look bad, Dave. I don't want to make you look bad.
You're not going to make me look bad, son. Listen, I don't give a fuck.
Listen, it's very difficult.
You're not going to make me look fucking bad, mate, all over this internet. In fact, you can. I'll get universes.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying to you. You can't look. Because the thing is, people are not going to agree with what you've done, but some people will. You're not.
Yeah, exactly. Well, you know them people that don't agree? The postcode is Fengarola, Malaga Beach.
And to be fair, It does only take 3 hours to get there if anyone wants
Yeah,
to know.
yeah. You want to be a hero and make yourself a platform on TikTok, guys. Jump on an aeroplane, I'll meet you, show you where the bird is, and then you can live happily ever after on galaxies and lions.
Yeah. But I do think it was a test by the universe, Dave. Genuinely, on my brother's ashes, I believe that was a test from the universe.
Yeah, well, he's had his test. He's shit all in the motor.
Bit shit sound like.
Shut up.
Like little white stuff, isn't it? It's like a
Look like that chicken has gone straight through him, to be honest.
a big load of semen what just lands on your head and you walk.
I've got a funny feeling when I go there later, he's still going to be there.
Oh yeah, gracias.
I got a funny feeling he'll still be there.
Everyone who made us win there, nice one to all of you. Bam, bam, bam. Are you going back to him?
I'll go back later to see if we can see if he's still there. Yeah.
What time later?
I don't know. When I get back, I'll just go back and see if I can still see him there.
Look, here's how you know we tested. Go back.
If he's still there when I go back later, then there's, I don't know.
Okay. Why did
No,
you?
Sam. No. You know.
Why?
No.
There's loads of vets genuinely want to open.
Yeah, and
now.
I'm also on a holiday.
Yeah.
My last fucking day, and I'm not running around after a fucking seagull.
You know it's going to get kicked up and down the beach by someone, don't you?
No, it won't.
He will.
Sammy can run faster than you and me. It's not fucking paralysed. Oi, did you hear what the policeman said to me?
What?
The policeman said take it up the mountains and just leave it.
No, because the policemen here are fucking stupid.
Yeah, they're horrible, ain't
They're retarded, the police here.
by summer. Which obviously we know that happens, but you wouldn't possibly do that knowing that you're going to take the animal up there to fucking get eaten. Why would you do that? I'd rather leave it on the beach where we can still get water, still get food.
And that's why the police tell you you're always here a month because
I told him I got a bird in the car, in the boot.
yes, Beth, and I see you subscribe there. Bam, 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 and welcome to all the new subs. I think let's see, yeah. My father, to you, welcome to you all. Bam, bam, bam. You failed your test, Dave.
You know what I mean?
You failed your test from the universe, Dave.
What's he just said, guys?
The universe test. Here's what you do now. Punish him on a glove. The glove's dropped. Punish Dave on the glove.
You up, bro?
He scores. He scores very, very low.
Yeah, fuck him.
Why'd you score?
You up, bro?
Why did Krusty Crumpets not pull the finger out this morning?
He ain't been doing it for weeks. Been quiet for weeks. It's been quiet for weeks, mate. That's why I've not been fucking on, really. Only on and off. I just come on and off now.
That's number 3 though the other day.
That was the other week, right?
Yes, Auntie Beth, I see you subscribed. All the new subs coming through. Welcome to you all, and feel free to comment and interact with each other. Give each other a follow. Bam, 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 bam. And if the mods can start doing it,
Oh,
with the mods can up. So, that's what we need to start doing. So someone's always ping Just someone wants to be pinned, just write pin in your comments and then bang. Yes, Stacey, I see you subscribe there, girl. Bam, bam, bam. Yeah, Dave, so what's your plans today, Dave?
Not too sure yet. Just waiting for DG.
You still in bed?
No, he'll be up. He will be getting ready, won't he?
Oh, yeah. No, so I've got to go up to Madrid in a minute.
Yeah, you're up early. Do you have a late night or?
Nah, I did have a late night. I went to bed about 5, but I've got to be up. I've got to go to Madrid, so I've got to fucking I've got to figure out. That's why I'm up early. I have to get. I've got to paint around as well. So this fella's round painting. Yes, Meg, Siobhan, Jade, Charlotte, just smiling, Welsh girl, Bam Bam, Holly, Tina, Katie, Cal, and everyone else who made us fucking win. Bam 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 Bam. Nice one to all of us. Yeah, the painters come round, so we're just doing the fucking roof. See in the spare bedroom.
Oh yeah.
It was just doing me editing. It just wasn't as white as I wanted them. Oh, what's your phone, Dave? How are you feeling?
You what?
How are you feeling?
Brand new.
I mean about the bed.
What the fuck do you mean? How am I feeling?
You feel any remorse?
What's that mean?
Remorse, like guilt?
No.
Aren't you feeling any like abandonment issues?
No. I don't feel fuck all.
You
I feel like I'm a cappuccino. This cunt's just trying to make me look bad, guys.
You've got the potential to be one of them mass murderers. Because
Get out of my life now.
You have no emotion.
Get out of my life. Listen, hit lip filler.
There's nothing wrong with being a mass murderer. I know.
You're going to get banned. You're going to get banned.
Oh yeah, we are. I've read loads of books about them. I don't know anything. I don't know any people like that. I don't know anyone like that. I'm not. I don't know anyone like that. Why save it and take it to the beach? No sense, Paul. Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. I won't read the comments here.
Are you reading the negative ones? Are you?
No. We love Dave. Dave is amazing. Dave is like the chocolate out of my body.
You're an absolute fucking idiot.
I thought it was a good comment of his. Dave is like the chocolate out my bottom. I love him so much.
Your chat is full of negativity. Fuck his chat. They don't sub to me. I don't give a fuck.
It's not, to be honest with you. It's people will. What everyone needs to understand is this on a balanced level. Would I have done what Dave done? No. But
you'd have took it to, you'd have kept it. You'd have looked after it.
Yeah, no. But the thing is, what you got to understand as well is this is like everyone's different in the sense of like Dave's over here with Bird. We've obviously got plans for today as well, and then I think they're going over to Gibraltar or whatever they're doing. So it's like you've got to. If people could theoretically just get on the plane, it's only 3 hours away, and go and help Bird if he's really that concerned. Yeah. Now, as I said, do I agree with it being let on the beach? No, I don't. Only because I would have probably handled it differently. But that doesn't mean that. It is what it is.
Hey, listen, the thing is, it could have got run over last night in the dark. At least it can see where it's going today.
That's another positive in the sense of it did have a safe night in the boot.
Yes, and it had a big chicken burger.
Did it eat all?
You what?
Did it eat all the food?
Fuck me, I opened the boot this morning. The cunt tried to jump out my boot. Fuck me, it was a totally different bird this morning.
Yeah, that's because it's had a rest.
Yeah.
To be honest with you, that bird's probably never had such a peaceful rest, quiet.
It was it was different this morning. Fucking hell. The fucking thing was all fucking swizzing its neck round side to side and everything.
Yeah, it would have been nice if you would have took it to the vet. But then it could have.
That man said the vet should have probably put it down because she's bust her wing and it's not a domestic bird.
Yeah, in a sense of
money pays. I suppose you could have took it to the vet and you'd have said, I want to pay for this to be done. They'd have done it.
Yeah, they would have. Yeah, but he might not have kept it for recovery. But as I said, there would have been enough space on my balcony for it to recover while I'm out. But you didn't say you probably.
Oh no, the thing will jump on the wall. It's fucking. It's just jumped off. It fucked off from us when I released it. It fucking jumped the walls and everything. The cunt.
Only the universe can judge you, Dave.
Why would you take it for views just to leave it though? Listen, Mama, why don't you go and suck my bollocks? You dirty little rat. Get out of my life.
Right. Times the gloves drop. Punish Dave on the glove, guys. Punish him.
I wanted fucking views. I'd go and bend me bird over the bed and smash him on live, you fucking idiot.
Ooh. I've got a question for you on that subject. Would you pull the hair, or would you?
I'd pull the hair.
Would you choke?
Yeah.
What the hell?
Headlock.
You slap the bum in there?
Yeah, headlock.
Okay, at the same time?
Bite a bum.
Well, you can't bend bite it while it's bent.
Yeah, you can. You can. I'll get. All right, son.
Everyone who made us win there, Jade, Lorna. It's Jade, you get a match power up, bam bam. Lorna, you get a boosting glove, bam bam.
I'm going now, guys.
Charlotte, Marissa, Sandy, Leanne, Sarah, User, and everyone else who made us win. Nice one to all of you.
I'm going.
Yeah, I'm going to Madrid in a minute. Probably in about half an hour. I'm going to Madrid. Oh, you're going to the battle, do you? Okay, go on. Go on.
That's why you win something out of it. I'm off. Fuck TikTok.
It's fucking
Full of fucking bird fucking bird.
Get me, Steve. Yeah, so during 2018, when I was debating, I was thinking about Africa. Yeah, going to Africa, to the slum just right before I'd ever went. And then what happened is those who followed me for a long time will remember. I kept coming across injured birds like the one you had.
Yeah.
And I came across about 6 of them just randomly, just in different places over the course of a month.
Yeah.
And I was taking them all to the vets. But then what happened is, I think he's froze.
Peace.
The psychic said to me, that was a sign. She said, them injured birds you're seeing is a sign that you must travel and you must do it straight away. And then what I'd done the following week, as soon as the psychic said that, I went straight to Africa and installed walls for 3,000 for the first time. But yeah, that was a sign from the universe to travel, and I'd done it. I never regret it. And this must be a sign for you, Dave.
Universe. Everything's the universe.
Oh yeah, we've got someone who said you can pick the bird up before 11 a.m.
Yeah, tell him to come and get it then. It's on the seafront.
Yeah, let me just see you go back.
Oh my God, there's an account in here called Seagull Pete.
Let me just see.
There's an account called Seagull Pete.
A man will collect a seagull if you send me the location. Ask Dave. Well, where's the location?
It's opposite the Oceantial Hotel, Fingarola.
What hotel?
You'll find the bird. You'll find it.
Where is it? Where's it by?
It's by the Oceantial Hotel.
The Oceantial?
Yeah.
Oh, the Oceantial.
If the fella comes, I'll go and meet the fella. I'm not going to go and grab a bird and then the fella trolling us and not turning up.
What's the specific location and logistics? I've just said the Oceantial?
Yeah, opposite there. There's a life-saving hut, and it's got a gym. You know, like them wooden shacks on the beach.
The Oceantial Hotel. It's opposite there. That's the exact location for it. You just need to put it into Google Maps. It'll come up. Yeah. Fingarola, yeah. Fingarola.
That's it, though. Yeah, that's the one. Sammy, I'm going to jump off. Fucking, I'm not sitting on here for 500 points.
Oh, yeah. Right, guys.
I'll jump